Is your Volvo XC90 dropping your Apple CarPlay connection mid-drive? Let's troubleshoot the root cause in just a few minutes. Data shows that a vast majority of these connection drops are simple hardware failures rather than software glitches. Let us break down the diagnostic steps to get your infotainment system stable again. Start by swapping your cable and inspecting your phone port for pocket lint, as these are the most common points of failure. If hardware is fine, head into your iPhone settings to forget the car profile and ensure your iOS is fully updated. On the Volvo side, try a soft reset of the Sensu system by holding the home button until the screen reboots. Most issues are quick DIY fixes, but if the problem persists, the vehicle's USB module might require a professional look. Costs vary wildly, from a $20 cable to a more expensive dealer-level USB module replacement. Always test with a second phone to rule out your device, and try different USB ports before attempting a factory reset. Keep a small toolkit handy with compressed air and a plastic pick for cleaning ports without causing electrical shorts. Remember that your connection is only as reliable as your cable, so start there before blaming the car. Follow these steps to stabilize your CarPlay and enjoy your drive, and subscribe for more Volvo maintenance tips.